Hello everybody and welcome back to another unboxing video. My name is Mark and today we're going to be going over a GRI INTG7-061 mag drive pump. So let's get to it. Gorman-Rupp Industries has been building its reputation and success since 1953. Specializing in pumps, their products are built using innovative designs. GRI works with both domestic and international partners in order to gain fluid pumping knowledge and expertise. GRI's proven concepts and engineered designs will provide a unique solution to your fluid pumping dilemma. The motor of the pump is equipped with an integrated brushless DC variable speed motor with voltage ranges from 12 to 24. 36 and 48 volt options are also available. The electromagnetic motor drives the internal radial impeller, allowing it to produce flow via centrifugal force. The impeller and internal magnet assembly is a single-piece design which houses magnets and provides leak-free service. Fluid enters the pump through the inlet and flows into the eye of the impeller. Fluid then rides along the outside impeller vanes as the impeller spins. The simplistic design of this pump allows for a wide range of applications and gives the pump the ability to take on aggressive chemicals that normally would damage or quickly wear out a pump that contains seals and other similar elements. Some specific applications include fluid, circulation and recirculation devices, server and electronics cooling, medical, chillers, coolant, laser systems, hydronic systems, fuel cells, solar thermal heating and cooling, and beverage dispensers. And there you have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you found it informative. Be sure to like and subscribe to our unboxing series. And for more information, be sure to look us up on burpprocess.com. And I'll see you on the next unboxing video.